Hello everyone, welcome to the Sabi Professor. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hide your Bumble profile from someone. First, open your Bumble application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this person icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. In this page, go to your account settings by tapping on this gear icon at the top right corner. Now, to hide your profile, you will have two options. First is to snooze your profile by tapping on the snooze option. By snoozing your profile will be hidden temporarily depending on the duration that you have selected in this menu. You can choose between 24 hours, 72 hours, a week, or indefinitely. After choosing, you can set your profile status while you are away. For example, I will select this I'm traveling option. After that, your profile will now be hidden temporarily. Another way to hide your profile is by turning on this incognito mode. When you enable incognito mode, no one sees your profile except the people that you swipe right. But to turn on incognito mode, you need to be subscribed to one of these plans. You can subscribe for a week, a month, 3 months, 6 months, or for a lifetime. So that's it. That's how you can hide your Bumble profile from someone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching!